If your weeknight dinners feel less like a meal and more like a complicated, smoke-filled engineering project, you know the struggle. We all want food that tastes good, but getting it on the table quickly without sacrificing flavor is genuinely tough. Finding a kitchen tool that simplifies the entire process, while still delivering restaurant-quality results, feels nearly impossible until you see this machine in action. It completely changes the routine of cooking for a family. Before I even bought this, I was skeptical. I've owned a few different air fryers over the years, and while they were fine, they always felt limited. I remember trying to cook chicken and roasted potatoes at the same time in a traditional oven. It was a mess, and I ended up with smoke everywhere and a ton of cleanup. Even single basket units meant cooking in batches, which was a massive time sink. I needed something that addressed the sheer logistical headache of feeding a group without dedicating an entire afternoon to meal prep. What I discovered with this Ninja Foodi was the DualZone technology. It's not just two baskets, it's two independent cooking zones that sync up. You can set one side to roast veggies at a lower temperature while the other side air fries the main protein, and they finish at the exact same time. That smart finish feature is a total time saver. Another feature I found useful is the 6-in-1 functionality. It handles air frying, roasting, and even dehydrating, so you don't need multiple gadgets. The IQ Boost setting is great for large roasts, ensuring even cooking without burning the edges. It has a massive 10-quart capacity, which is necessary for feeding a crew. When I looked at the premium models from competitors, they were priced around $450, but this Ninja Foodi unit gives you almost all the power and capacity for less money, making it a smart investment. If I had to name one minor drawback, the manual instruction booklet is overwhelming, but honestly, the controls are simple enough to figure out quickly. Picture this. It's a Friday evening. The smell of crispy herbs and roasted garlic fills the kitchen, and the steam rising from the side dishes is comforting. You pull the two baskets out, and everything is golden brown, the perfect combination of textures. The entire process, from raw ingredients to dinner plate, took less than 40 minutes, leaving you time to sit down and relax with your family instead of cleaning up a mountain of pots. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.